Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
NASA's new moon rocket Crackles 40 million times larger than a bowl of Rice Krispies, scientists say. When NASA launched its Saturn V moon rocket in the 1960s and 1970s, it was said to have been so loud it melted concrete. In fact, it did nothing of the sort. When the space agency launched its Artemis I mission last November successor, the Space Launch System, a group of scientists wanted to forestall any misinformation, and took detailed measurements of noise. What they measured was unexpectedly loud. Eastern Time on November 22, 2022, from Launch Pad 39B. At Kennedy Space Center, Florida, we have found that Artemis 1-second noise level crackles about 40 million times louder than a bowl of Rice Krispies 5 kilometers away, said Whitney Coyle, one of the authors of a new report published in the Acoustical Society of America's journal JASA Express Letters. The crackling sound of shock waves' instantaneous rise in sound pressure is a feature of rocket launches. The researchers on the Brigham Young University and Rollins College in Florida placed microphones at various locations around the Kennedy Space Center for the night launch. From a distance of 5.2 kilometers, it was still 129 decibels. Every 10 decibels is an order of magnitude increase. The launch was almost 20 decibels higher than predicted by a pre-launch model. We hope these early results will help prevent the spread of possible misinformation, as was the case with Saturn V, said Kent G., one of the authors. Numerous websites and discussion forums suggested sound levels that were far too high, with inaccurate reports of Saturn V sound waves, melting concrete, and causing grass fires.